Leila Norma Eulalia Josefa Magistrado de Lima, born August 27, 1959, is a Filipino politician, lawyer, human rights activist, and law professor who has served as the representative for Mamamayang Liberal, the sectoral wing of the Liberal Party. Since 2025, de Lima previously served as a senator of the Philippines from 2016 to 2022 and as Secretary of Justice from 2010 to 2015. Born in Iriga, Camarines, sir, de Lima was educated at the De La Salle University and the San Beda College of Law. She passed the Philippine bar examinations in 1985 and began her legal career as a staff member of Associate Justice Isagani Cruz. From 2008 to 2010, she served as the chairperson of the Commission on Human Rights under the presidency of Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. In 2010, President Benigno Aquino III appointed de Lima to his cabinet as Secretary of Justice. She would hold the position until 2015, when she sought a seat in the Senate of the Philippines. In 2016, de Lima was elected to the Senate, having run under the coalition NG Dang Matuid. She was defeated in her re-election bid in 2020 to under Team Rebredo Pangilinan. Known as a vocal critic of the administration of President Rodrigo Duterte, she was arrested in 2017 under charges linked to the new Bilibid prison drug trafficking scandal during her term as Justice Secretary. Later that year, she was awarded the Prize for Freedom by Liberal International. She was held in pretrial detention until a court granted her petition for bail in 2023, although she served out her remaining term as senator and filed legislation while held. Following her release, de Lima successfully ran as the first nominee of the Mamamayang Liberal Party list in the 2025 House of Representatives elections. De Lima was born on August 27, 1959, in Iriga, Camarines Sur, where she was raised. She's the eldest daughter of former Philippine Commission on Elections Commissioner Vicente de Lima and Normani Magistrado. De Lima completed her basic education at La Consolacion Academy, now La Consolacion College Iriga, graduating as class valedictorian. She graduated in 1980 from the De La Salle University with an Art History and Political Science degree. She finished her Bachelor of Laws degree salutatorian at the San Beda College of Law in 1985. She placed 8th in the 1985 Philippine bar examinations with an 86.6% bar rating. Personal life, de Lima was previously married for more than 30 years to lawyer Plaridel Bahal, who was her classmate in college before their marriage was annulled. She has 2 children. De Lima's father, Vicente de Lima, used to be a commissioner of the Commission on Elections during the time of Christian Mansag. Her aunt, Leila de Lima, served as the head of the Philippine Economic Zone Authority and is a Raymond Magsaysay awardee. Following her release, the Lima adopted 5 cats from Camp Crane who accompanied her constantly during her detention. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.